जोरी तोर आमचे तियात्रीस्ट सोशल इश्यूआचेर तियात्र काडूंक शकता. पॉलिटिकल कांतारा करून गोंयांत जागृताय हाडूंक शकता. जागृताय हाडपा सारकी फिल्मां तयार करूंक शकता जाल्यार डोंट दे हॅव द रायट टू वॉइस देयर ओपिनियन फॉर द सेक ऑफ पब्लिक अँड अदर करंट हॅपनिंग इन द स्टेट? हियर वॉट दे स्पीक. ओके, इतले सगळं तुमकां केन्ना तुमकां कोणें हेल्प हो केला जावं तुमी तियात्राचेर आले जाल्यार अप्रोच येयला तुमकां बाबा एक कांतार आपूण तुका हें कोत्ता?
होय, म्हाका जालें येयलें बाय. आतां पिक्चर कोत म्हळ्यार म्हाका जाय जावन फ्रेंडांनी
हय फ्रेंडांगे हेल्प इवन आमचे सद्या लोक आहा न्हू लोकांक आमी सपोर्ट केला.
जाय सपोर्ट कोताय.
तियात्र लाव जाय जावं आखे गाल्फ आहाय आखे युकी आहाय आखे संवसार आहाय
स्वता एडवांटेज घेवपा जायना.
कोताय हेल्प कोताय ना म्हणो जायना कित्याक तो हेल्प नासतना आमच्यांनी मुखार वचो जायना. जायते फ्रेंड
आतां मुगे USB फ्रेंड आहाय बाबा कितें फायनान्शियल कितें एसो तुका फ्रेंड आहाय पूण स्वता आमी तेंचे एडवांटेज घेवपा जायना.
हांव घेता एक दीस हांव घेता तूं
तो तुका वळखो जाल्यार तो मुगे फ्रेंड
वळख कर
एसो बरो मनीस आहाय म्हणजे तेंका देंक आहा आमगे एंटरटेनमेंटाचो देखून ते जाताय. पूण थोडे आहाय कितें आय ते युट्यूबाचेर मेळटा चोवपाचें थिंग सारकें एंटरटेन जाताय ते आनी मागीर तियात्रिसां टॉपीक येयला तियात्रीस रे शी. पूण एंटरटेनमेंटा वयर आमगेलें हांसोन हॅपी जावन ते गेले युट्यूबाचेर कळ्ळें तुका न्हू. उलयता जायता मागीर लास्टाक बॅन बरें जुस्तलो वायट.
फ्रॉम आवर चॅनल डोंट डावनलोड इट अँड शेअर.
दीस इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट.
हे आहा ती पांय पडा तुमच्या अनेक पाटी कळ्ळें तुका. हें तो लिंक आहा थिंगा शेअर म्हूण बरयलो आहा एश कोन्न कांट हें दाखय म्हणटा एरो तो क्लिक करे आनी कितें तें तुमकां कोणाक धाडटेक धाडे म्हळ्यार व्हिडिओ माच देव आहा ती डावनलोड कोनाक.
डावनलोड केल्यार आमी लॉस.
नेमिका इतली आमी एफेक्ट जाल्या जाल्यार हाव हॅव यू हेल्प युअर कोवर्कर्स लायक तुजी टीम आहली आसतली जी वेडिंग्सांनी आहली सो कशें आहलें वॉट आर दे डुईंग नाव?
So, see, first of all, every time there used to be a wedding, we could do something. Now there are no weddings. So all the projects which would come are not coming. So then, so I went in a bit of a inspiring mode to all my guys. I said, see, हे आतां जालें न्ही हे भशेन लास्ट टायम एसो पेंडेमीक जालें तें 1918 जालें तें स्पॅनिश फ्लू. ऑलमोस्ट 1/3 ऑफ द वर्ल्ड वॉज इन्फेक्टेड एंड ऑल. हें पेंडेमीक जें आहा आफ्टर लिटरली 100 years, we are still not sure when it's going to end and how it will end. Hope आहा की वॅक्सीन येयलें म्हणटरी जातलें सगळें सारकें. Couples they call me up, those were booked, and some of them even ask questions like, is it okay to have the wedding now, especially in November, December?
Okay.
Now these couples are in London or US and all. So then I have to be like, see, people are getting married. There are two kinds of people. Some who think the situation is going to get worse, so now is a good time, and the others will think the situation is going to get better. So they are postponing. So then when they ask me, what do you think, Rocky, we should do? Now these people are abroad. They will now kind of take the leave, book a flight and come down. So then I'm also in a spot as to how do I answer this now? If I tell them, oh, calm down. And recently when I got one call from a client, when she said that the cases are increasing again over there where they are.
Right.
So what if the flights are stopped again? So should we cancel our wedding? They want to have their wedding. Though even it is with a less number of people, they want to have their wedding. So then when I tell this to even my colleagues and all, my team and all, I tell them one thing here, see, a pandemic, if it has come now and it had come earlier, it can come again in a far worse or a far less severe way. So don't rely entirely on one industry only. Now like how I all said, suddenly essential mote words samke essential zale. You are an artist आणि philosopher ते काय ना आत हुई भाजी आणि दूध मेटा तिंगा दांबला लोक. Suddenly we saw everybody selling vegetables. Literally you can see vegetable stores really clearly. The greens and oranges distributed. It's only shop bond. The only ones which are allowed were all this essentials. So thought मुगे आहे ते फ्रेंड आहे ते फोटोग्राफर बोला अरे वेजिटेबल गाडा ओपन केला बेस्ट काय लायसन्स ना गावसून वेजिटेबल लिखया तोंड पडले जाणा आमगे शेताल न्ही आमी इतुले मॉडर्न म्हूण हें जालें दॅट वी सोल्ड ऑफ दिस fields and all and farms. आप दिसता की आले अरे वी कुड हैव गॉन एंड वर्कड Some others said, "At Ahleti, at also super the property, whether we can cultivate there." Because one of the main things I understood is that we have to be self-sufficient. Heartland Garden, kiten tori ruin, we can survive for a couple
I
of days.
know.
commerce केला commerce केला जायदा
There are fruit trees and all, you know, sassops and
No,
bullocks.
yeah, so slowly that understanding now when it came. So coming back to your question, I told them, Papa, let's now not rely that somebody will get married or somebody is going to have a need of a cinematographer or a photographer and we'll be there needed. Nah, we'll make ourselves multifunctional. Project Aha is like Korea, at Tedona in Korea, but now get other talents, other skills, develop other skills. You're not good at something, go learn that. I know it'll be
आमकां
difficult.
बोल्ड करपा पडलें
तू सांगोता सारकें
बोल्ड
रॉकी
करपा पडलें
And we have to be ready when time should be.
सदां
सारकें आमी
आतमध्ये आनी कितें जालें शेत बारोवपाक जाय
रियालिटी घेवपाक
येवपा लागोन आनी केस्टां कॉमेर्स जालें युट्यूबाचे केस्टां कॉमेर्स तें एंटरटेनमेंट जालो लोकांक 8-12 तास कोण कोण
Okay, Rocky, how far is film industry affected? Because तियात्र आमचे at least YouTubeर तेंची आमच्या तियात्राची कांतरापणी पावता. But film,
The film as in Agon. See, first of all, because the fear is कि group एकठांय जालो जाल्यार कोण infected आहा समज दुसरे infect जातले. So that's why most of the shoots were cancelled.
okay.
आतां shoots खंयचे जाले one on one. Like suppose if on chroma screen or studio and then in poets round. Even in Mumbai and all, they very heavy measures घेतले. Thermal scanning, check कोताले. You cannot go out and all. तेंगे उनके shows आए थे. Because show bond कर जाल्यार तेंका loss. So there were certain shows that they had to continue with the risk. But they took those precautions. Mask घालताले, checking with the thermal scanners and all every 10 minutes. Whether somebody's temperature is increasing. कित्याक कोणा जर तो जोर आहा जाल्यार पासून तो एक पॅरासिटामॉल घेतालो आनी जोर थंड करून येतालो. So to catch that they would scan. तें कोणूय बीन fear आसतालो. So ताका लागून तें cost इतू वाडपा लागलो. Like because at the end of the day you have to use a driver to travel somewhere. While traveling you can get, right? Because you're sitting in a car with him. And AC मावं जाल्यार तो chances आनीकूय high. कितू म्हूण precautions घेतालो. So that's why most of the shoots were entirely postponed. आतां केन्ना पासून postpone केल्ली
But do
hoping.
you think it has to start or what? What is your opinion?
Yeah, so most of the people that I have seen, they are fed up of sitting at home. ते एस कोन म्हणटाय मोत जाल्यार मरो but घरांतूं भायर या
कितें कॉमेर्स जालो न्हू
कितें तरी करया but let's not die at home. तेच कोन एस जालें म्हणजे that mindset only is की okay let's do we'll take precautions but it is like a mixed bag. Thought म्हणटाय mask is effective but suppose you are in an AC environment, how effective is a mask anyway? Because you are blocked with the same air.
There are circulation, no?
Yeah. And कितू जाण एनफोर्स करतले security पोतपोतून. So that's why some of them are like no, we have to feed our family. So especially family oriented people, those who have children and all, like most of all the industry people, they are forced to go and earn, right?
Question is going to Akasio and it is asked by Johnny B. Good from Santa Cruz. So he's asking, would there be any assistance, financial support to the music industry from the given 20 lakh crore announced by government? If yes, then when and how it will get in process?
ना ते हांव नोको बट आमचे असोसिएशन आहा गोवा एंटरटेनमेंट असोसिएशन सो अजून आय मीन अनफॉर्च्युनेटली मिटींग जावन AGM जालना कांय जालां बिकॉज दिस पॅन्डेमिक बट जस्ट टेल हिम दैट I'll Johnny I'll let you know I'll speak to
comment in this video, then we'll follow up on that.
yeah
So we get it.
So I'll put this thing across because I know a lot of money has come in आणि येयले ते आमकां न्हू सगळें सोमेस्तांक सो तितूंत आमकां तरी कितें थोडे मेळटा तें आय थिंक वील फायट फॉर इट वील आस्क फॉर इट येयले आमी ते पयशे आमचे मंत्री म्हणजे द CM will be in the right position to know where it is.
सो आमकां येयले आमकां मेळो जाय आनी खुंयच्या शेअर जावपा
And they
जाय
already plan केला आसतलें कितको मोठले ते कळ्ळें का I mean the need of the hour is not the assembly house or whatever कित करपा आहलें न्हू ते I don't know
तें सदां कोताय करीत आसता हितून.
every year okay so I heard it last time
Just something or the other is always there to be done, in other words.
so sadly you know these things should not come up at this time when people are dying hungry and you want to make some nice posh you know structures and all. So anyway I'll get back to you Johnny.
Okay. If this is not done, so he's asking government have not done anything for music industry. We'll have to say if they don't do it, So can we say that government is not reacting?
Of course. Meaning, have they done anything for the industry?
No, he's asking, जरी तो हे process जाय ना.
Yeah.
जाल्यार आमच्यांनी म्हणून जाता government.
कांय केलं?
For the music industry.
कांयच केलं ना म्हणून.
Right.
Of course.
झालं ना.
चालेल.
Okay. Next thing is asking, even theatre academy ha, we have theatre academy, but that is not in process till now. 3 वर्षां elections जावन ना. But don't you think music academy जावन जाय आसली? Western music industry अशें कितें जावपाक जाय अशें दिसना? There is,
See,
at least for at this
आता
point,
आमचे
like
entertainment Goa Entertainment Association. This is a group where we have that संगीत member आहे आमगेले, and many haven't joined. And many joined initially with a little fee and one year fee, and then they didn't get back. They didn't become members. So this is one association I know because I'm a member of it, life member. आणि दुसरे म्हणते आर्ट अँड कल्चर बाय ते इवन दे कॅन बी पार्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस थिंग ना बट दे ऑल कम आउट द गवर्नमेंट ना डायरेक्टली सो वी हॅव एन असोसिएशन बट what we are going to do next I don't know. I just had to put it across because I'll tell them this came as a question to
but
me.
at least this is at least at this point of time, don't you think they should help you or something like that?
Of course, man. I mean, just tell me what we have to do, you know, and we'll do the needful, no?
Next question is म्हाका दिसता आमचो बँड बाबो बरो आन्सर करतलो आमचो पुतूश आसा वेदो फ्रॉम मेर्सेस आमचो बँड मास्टर
Musician आहे.
या सो तो विचारता तियात्र बंद आसा बट वॉट इफ हॉल सॅनिटायज करीत
Right.
लायक तियात्र जालो जाल्यार सगळें सॅनिटायज करून हाव दे सॅनिटायज द मॉल इवन द टेम्परेचर तो
बरं.
चॅक करून जरी तर आमी स्टार्ट करूंक जायना तियात्र वॉट यू हॅव टू से तुजो ओपिनियन
बापूतूश बरें विचार तुगेलो तूं विचार बरें डिफिकल्टी आहा रे सद्या आतां केसीस इन्क्रीज जायत आहाय न्हू पूण जावं आम कितें बरें आहा तें होप करया आफ्टर 4 म्हयन्यान उपरांत कितें जालें म्हणटा आनी गोवोरमेंटान इनिशिएटीव घेयले म्हाका पयलीं सद्या भिरांत स्वता लोक बरो भिवना लोक बरो भिवना कितें आतां मीस थोडे कडेन कमी आसतालें एश कोन रिस्पॉन्स येयला सारको लोक सारको आसचे नासलो ते भाशेन लोक जायना मीस फियर आहा न्हू फियर आहा म्हयना न्हू ते सेफ्टी मेजर्स दुखून गेले जाल्यार एक इंडिविज्युअल भिरांत आसतली मुगे एक कितें गोवोरमेंटाक हॉलां मागीर एसी आनी आसता आं एसी म्हळ्यार आनी चोड म्हणटाय तोय फियर आहा म्हाका दिसोता भायर तियात्र कॉमेर्स करपा जाय पाद्रीन पूण कितें ओपन एअर न्हू इगोर्जी कोडे हांव उलयता आनी 4-5 म्हयन्या उपरांत इगोर्जी कोडे स्लोली जालें जाल्यार थिंग एक बरें स्टार्ट जालें जाल्यार आमकोड्या फायद्या पडटलें पूण हॉलां येवपा लोक बरो डिफिकल्ट जाता गोवोरमेंट कोतलो पूण लास्टाक तोच गोवोरमेंटात आसतलो गोवोरमेंट स्टार्ट कोतलो आमी पूश केलें गोवोरमेंटान न्हू मागीर तें दुसरें आहा तेजे कॉन्सिक्वन्सीस बॅड कॉन्सिक्वन्सीस जाय न्हू कित्याक कॉमेर्स केलें आतां चोय थिंग लोकां तियात्रा गेलो मेन जाल्यार आमी उलयताय सगळे आमी बरे भाशेन एकवटान चलोंक जाय आनी मागीर
वॅक्सीन म्हणटा येयले बगर लोक येवपाचो ना तें लोकां भिरांत आहा न्हू
बरी भिरांत आहा रे.
सद्या लोक पयलीं सद्या लोक चोड भिवोनू मेला
हें कितें ओपन एअर आहा तेंच पयलीं स्टार्ट स्लोली स्टार्ट जालें म्हणटा हांव सांगता आवटडोर तियात्र इगोर्जिंगो पाद्रीन आमचे तर बोरें चिंतिलें बोरें चिंतून बेश्टें हाडून क्रावड करपा न्ही गो एश कोन्न सोशल डिस्टन्स
आतां तूं म्हणटा बाय मिसाकू लोक येयना जाल्यार तियात्रान कितको लोक येतलो
तो बरें पयलीं चोयता लोक कितें इफेक्ट जाता जाल्यार मागीर स्लो जातलो कोणाकूच चान्सीस घेवपा नाका कोणाक कळटा काय न्हू
लोकां जाय
लोक ऑब्जर्व करता कितें जाता हें जाता मरे आज सुबेजार मरे लोक एश कोन्न भिरांत
Next is a question for Rocky. This question is raised by Oscar Chagazi Silva, who is the president of United Goan Photographers and Videographers Association. So he says, main problem is pricing. So people expect low prices. So if you all compromise now, my future affect ज़्यादा नहीं दिसना लोगों. What do you have to say? What's your opinion?
Yeah, generally, see, there are some clients, even when they can pay, they will say they cannot. What I have also seen is there are some couples genuinely, like those who have lost jobs and all, they come requesting us also, you know, can you do it for a lower price? Then we tell them, okay, we have already booked our teams for a certain price. It is not a one-man show now. There are another 6 guys now. Now I have to convince 6 guys. But they in fact are trying to convince me, no. First of all, there is a fear. They have to come and do the job, right? And to do the job, they have to be fully in the same capacity. Off the camera again, can't shooting kadpa nahi kon. एक लोकांक एक काडपा जाय और 100 लोकांक एक काडपा जाल्यार he has to come fully equipped. Now he also has to pay his EMIs. Let's say if he has bought a latest camera and other gear and all, तें टेंशन आहा. So आम तेंकडे कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट बीन जायत पडटा कोताय करपाक कोण येता ते आमगेला टू वर्क विथ अस सो दॅट वी गेट प्रोफेशनलिझम इन द इंडस्ट्री. आतां कितें जालां मेनी ऑफ देम वॉन्ट टू कॅन्सल. आतां कॅन्सल केलें म्हणटरी स्टील वी हॅव टू पे आवर गायज बिकॉज ही हॅज कॅन्सल्ड अदर डेट्स नो. Suppose there are certain guys that we have made a contract with and said, no matter what, we are going to pay you. काजार जावं जायना का. आतां आम त्रासां पडलें because the line म्हणली म्हणून.
So safest is advance, no? Advance केल्यार तूं सारको minus.
And even then if we say, na, let's adjust. आतां कितें adjust करता तूं? Coverage is going to be the same. It's only mask आनी घाताय आतां. It doesn't even look like a wedding sometimes. आतां mask आनी. Only 25 people allowed in the church, 100 people allowed in the dance floor. Fear you have. कोण तुझी पयली येल जालें आतां टू इवन टेल यू समथींग तुज कितें जातलें. सो ती इंडस्ट्री आनी आतां सेम उरपाना. फॉर वेडिंग्स टू कम इट विल टेक एटलीस्ट 2 years I feel. Because they also have said that it is not like it is going to die out. It's going to be like common cold will keep on coming. It's a virus.
We'll have to live with it.
So only thing is infections are not going to be so much. People are going to be educated and all, but it is there to stay. If it is there to stay, weddings are not going to be like 1,000 crowd and all.
Gone are the
Caterers
days.
are the ones who will be hit the most, I think. Because they 4 plates.
Right.
Are the minimum number of plates.
But at least they do it like आपले own कितें करून सायटी
Oh, no, that's why my suggestion is that everybody is switching industries. Like if musicians are thinking of selling vegetables, and if vegetable seller is thinking of expanding more, that means the vegetable guy is the king right now.
Of course.
Right. Okay, next question. आमचो actually हे दोगांय बी कोणाकूय पोटा घेवन घेवपाचें.
Okay.
Alright. Okay, so then it's does the Goa government and an elected MLA really concerned about Ms. Goenkar? Why? Kidyaq government can give at least some financial help to the deserved artist. जशें पळय तुमी म्हणलां की आमचे आर्टिस्ट आयज वेजिटेबल फिश पासून हें करपा जाला. डोंट यू थिंक तेणी की ते म्हणून एटलीस्ट समथींग इफ दे आर प्लेइंग द लेबरर्स इफ दे हॅव टेकन द इनिशिएटीव वाय आर दे नॉट एटलीस्ट थोडे कितें तुमकां
तूं सांगत जाल्यार 20 crore म्हणटा तें हांव सारको हुशें ना आतां. त्या म्हज्या तोंडा पडत जाचो आनी पयलीं सद्याक.
टेल मी योर ओपिनियन कितें म्हणून एक्चुअली तुमकां दिसना कितें म्हणून
दिवपा जाय आमगे जायते तियात्र
जायते फावटी आमी अशें मांडण्यो काडटा बट इट डजंट हॅपन.
See, I think no. First of all, schemes. Not during this pandemic only. Even earlier, one of my friends was working in the administrative department, the government. So she started telling me that there are a lot of schemes. Let's say for a lot of people. But the people never know about the schemes. Like nobody is there to educate people ki baba there is a scheme for you.
तें सांगना रे.
Even at दाखलो एक स्पॉट ओपन केलो न्ही and you are from a very backward area wherein anduk help the government has a number of schemes to help you. That is the small scale industry and all. But ते वचून कोण एक्सप्लेन करता तेका कोण एक्सप्लेन करपा ना आनी कोण जाणटो सांगपा पसून ना वचून.
सांगना.
So what is happening is they say the schemes are made for the schemers न्ही जे कोण मातशे स्मार्ट आहाय न्ही with this information ते वचून पेपर वर्क बीन दिन ते पयशे घेयले. The deserving people will never get. Same thing with this. Even if there is money, if at all, I'm not sure now how much money is coming in and all. Even if it is there, who is going to make the people aware ki अरे बाबा हे तुमको म्हणून. And मागीर आहाय जाल्या पासून एक्सपायर जालो म्हणटा तो प्रोसेस न्ही म्हणटले
सांगना
अप्लाय तुम अप्लाय केल ना एप्लिकेशन आणलें.
Okay.
अरे बाय उस्पिपा दुखू पयशे आहाय मुगे बायल काम कोत म्हाका आतां कोणा हांवें पयलीं बाय उस्पिले सगळ्या पयशे काण म्हण आतां दिता म्हळ्यार बाय उस्पिपा गव्हर्मेंट पंचायत पयशे दिता म्हाका कोडार न्ही बायल
येते वर्सा घेता.
घे आनीक पयशे आहाय.
Okay. Next, Akashio, somebody is asking, this is like a social issue, but then that person is linking, even for the Minin Mario, now mentioned Kurna, and it's also now mentioned Kurna, but from Panjim side. They say, online studies, you have kids, so you know how much problem you are facing during this pandemic. So what do you think? Like, आम्ही एक टाइम आलो बेणान आम्ही चेडवांक कांतारा म्हणपाक दिना हल्ली. जावं तियात्रान पासून चेडवांक अरे बाबा तूं नाचना गा तियात्रान आतां नाचना मागीर नाच तहें म्हणटाले. बट आतां युट्यूबाचेर पासून आमी कांतारा घालता भुरगीं घालता. सो हाव कितें इफेक्ट आहा हेजो युट्यूबाचो जावं ही भुरगीं जी आतां शिकता सो डू यू थिंक दिस ऑनलायन स्टडीज इज सारकें फिट इज
No, no.
बर्डनिंग देम
Online studies is like the need of the hour. Okay, it's not designed when everything is okay. Tras pandemic, so they switched on to online. It's a pain for the parents, man.
ऑनलायन हें करपा नॉट दॅट इजी आतां तें एक यूट्यूब चॅनलाचेर ती आपले टॅलंट दाखयताय ती डिफरंट केस न्हू
Nobody was used to looking at a mobile screen to study.
Right.
I mean, we used to use it for our entertainment, right?
Oh, yeah.
Or to
And
read a
parents
message.
only used to dominate like
No,
that.
so now there are a lot of cases where they have to watch the mobile for so long that they're getting headaches, eye strain. They are in very poor lighting and all, and nobody has educated them how to use a mobile also.
But mobile actually is a mobile
No,
good
it's not
unit to do your studies. No
So
way,
right
man.
now-
I mean, laptop, if the screen isn't IPS or whatever,
yeah.
glare friendly or whatever, you cannot look at the screen, man. And mobile, edo kitlu chaitlo.
Nothing else, and they are all trying to see small text.
And
in
we
a
used
small
to
screen
stop
of
our
the
kids,
mobile.
no. हेणा का माँ मोबाइल काटाले मेरे हाथ गए लिसा कर में दिता है बड़े this is what a contrast, no. But anyway, I mean, in these times, what is the other solution?
So there's no alternative. As
So
of
there's no
now.
alternative,
So
yeah.
they only jumped on to the mobile thing. Because
But only thing, homework must have less because they are actually, I think from the government, they say that they are not supposed to burden, like one-line answers, something easy, just to keep it going. Not like you, syllabus हमके complete job no, nothing, no targets in mind, but just to keep it going, so the child doesn't forget what it is to study,
ओके मारियो ऑनलायन जरी तर तुमची आतां सपोज हें बंद आहा जाल्यार ऑनलायन कॉम्पिटिशन अशें केली जाल्यार इवन कॉमेडी अशें कॉम्पिटिशन्स केले जावं धाकले हितूंत जाल्यार जातले
तियात्र हे कॉमेडी बा केली जाल्यार जातले बट ऑनलायन कॉम्पिटिशन सिंगींग बा म्हणटाय न्हू ते म्हाका जाल्यार डायजस्ट जायना तूं हांव स्टुडियो वयता आनी रिकॉर्डिंग करतात आकाश स्टुडियो आकाश म्हणटा ही लायन आपूण तुवें रॉंग म्हळ्यार ती सारको तोलो सो तूं डायरेक्ट तूं सिंगींग करता लायव तेदोन तूं कळटा रॉंग केलां वो कितें केलें तें ना कोणाकू आनी थिंग सिंगर कोण ताका एवॉर्ड दिवपा जाता कितें म्हण बाबा जाता न्हू कित्याक
क्लोनिंग बी करून आतां तेंका
वॉयस थिंग तुवें रॉंग म्हळ्ळें तें थिंग सारकें कोण तेणें दिलें तुका कातार सो तूं एवॉर्ड जिखोन गेलें लायव कोण येता न्हू तो सिंगर
तुमकां दिसता तेच भाशेन आदले भाशेन हे कॉमेंट्स जातले म्हूण जावं ते नाटकाचे जावं आमचे सिनेमा वॉटेवर आदले भाशेन जातले कित्याक आतांच आमची ऑडियन्स जे आसा इतले फायनान्शियली मातशें तांकां प्रॉब्लम मार बसला सो विल दे बी एबल टू इन्वेस्ट इन फॉर इवन अ टिकेट फॉर अ मुवी ऑर इवन फॉर अ थिएटर समथींग
कांदिदा हांव एक मुगो थिएटर कोर्स करतालें कालाकादम केन्ना ऑर्गनायज करतालें आनी ते इंस्ट्रक्टर आसले पुना आसूं जावं खंयसून त्यान एकल्यान म्हाका म्हणलो आहा ही स्टेज आर्ट वॉट यू मीन टू से इज लायव्ह वील नेवर डाय हें यूट्यूब कित्या ना मात लोक ऑप्शन तेजेर डायवर्ट जाला पूण लोक हितू हांगरी जालो आहा तियात्र आमगे लायव्ह आहा न्हू जालो न्हू कितेंच लोक येतलो तियात्र येतलो
ना कितें जालां न्हू देर आर डिफरंट पीपल लोकांक पयसो आहा कळगा आतां आमचे सो हू डिपेंडेड ऑन ऑन आवर जॉब्स we earn decent amount, but we also spend equally a little more than that. So the saving capacity was less. But there are some people who have a huge buffer, but they are looking for a reason to spend. Not that they'll give it to us. No way. That is the last thing. But to buy anything else where it can be seen. आतां मोटर गेल्या लोकांक दिश्टी पडना आकाशात जर थोडे पयशे दिले कोणाक कळपाना न्हू तें सो दे विल स्पेंड वेर इट कॅन बी सीन सो इट कॅन कम बॅक इन अ वे दॅट एज मनीस आतां जर तूं तेका पयसा तो म्हणटलो बरें तियात्र आय टेक माय 20 जाण कोण इफ यू नोज आय एम जस्ट सेयिंग कोण 20 जाणांक जॉब ना तेंका कोणाक पयशे ना तेका कळ्ळें तेको आहा न्हू सो तो म्हणटलो अमको तियात्र आहा चल येयाय तुमी हांव पे करता टिकेट सो दीस कायंड ऑफ थिंग्स कॅन हॅपन बिकॉज देर आर मेनी पीपल हू आर वेटिंग टू स्पेंड but they haven't got a chance. Right now we are all in the same boat.
लोकां भायर सरों जाय
आनी बट तितूय नॉट दॅट इजी लोकां बारीक चिमटो येयला मोठ चिमटो येयलो आहा सो मातशें टायमूय वचो शकता
आमचे तियात्रिस्ट आर्टिस्ट गोंयांत जागृताय हाडूंक खूब वावुरता आनी आतां हालीं गोंयांत जोरी तोर आमी कोळसो म्हणजे कोल हाडूंक परवानगी दिली जाल्यार तांचो आमच्या पर्यावरणाचेर भरपूर वायट प्रभाव पडटलो तशेंच डबल ट्रॅकिंग व्हडले व्हडले IIT सारखे प्रोजेक्ट्स गोंयची सोबिताय विबाडप डज गोवा नीड्स दीस जोरी तोर कचऱ्याचो प्रश्न रस्त्याच्या फोंडकुलाचो प्रश्न, रस्त्याचेर गोरवांचो प्रश्न सुटावो जायना जाल्यार हे प्रोजेक्ट्स कित्याक? Here is what our cinematographer and film producer Rocky Wills has to say.
Because of the pandemic, suddenly, through materialistic things, we were so dependent.
हय
Suddenly, dependency kitti kodli and necessities and essentials kitte kodli. I feel we have to respect nature, first of all. Itu taken for granted जाल्ले. Even the Kerala पासून floods in गेले.
हय
तेजे पासून कोण कांय शिकलो ना. Coastal area जालो पासून वसोत आहे. आमगे ओन beaches पासून गेले. Erodes जायन.
हय
तोरे पूण शिकनाय. बांद पास होताय. Concrete jungles. Mole forest.
Mole.
तें उडपास होताय. Double trekking. Coal हाडपास होताय. I mean, for whom? Tourism लागो नो. If you are going to destroy the Goa, the green cover, ते टुरिजम आनी कितें फायद्याचो? फकत पयशे हावपा जालो ना सगल्यांचो. आय मीन इतू व्हडले आतां मॉलेम फॉरेस्ट आनी वेस्टर्न घाट्स आनी आमगे सगळे आहा तितलें एंड गोवा इज सो स्मॉल एनीवे ते डबल ट्रॅकिंग करून फूल ब्लॅक आमी मागीर मास्क आनी घालपा नाका
हय
सगळे ब्लॅक
भायर उबो रावपाचें.
मॅन इन ब्लॅक इफ यू वेअर ग्लेज आनी रिमूव दोळे दिसची पडटले. सो द रिक्वेस्ट इज आनी आय हॅव सीन लॉट ऑफ पीपल ट्रायंग टू क्रिएट अवेरनस बट कोण गेलो ना आनी स्पेशली इफ समबडी इज एफ्लुएंट नो म्हणजे बँक बॅलन्स व्हडले आहा न्ही ते लायक म्हाका कितें पडला वायट आनी दुसरें कोणें कितें म्हणलें जाल्यार रोखडे तेंगे मागीर रिस्पेक्टीव पॉलिटिशियन्स आहाय ते तेंकां म्हणटले दीस इज अगेन्स्ट मी म्हणून बिकॉज एनीवे गोईंग अगेन्स्ट एंड द एनवायरमेंट इज बॅड फॉर अस आम म्हणटले एंड गोवा इज नोन फॉर अ नॅचरल ब्युटी डबल ट्रॅकिंग कोल आय मीन Goa is not going to remain green anyway. It's going
No,
to become a
but
black hole.
maybe they'll make a nice coal area where you can take the tourists and show.
Yeah, then we'll all have to become tourist guides to show all the different mining, this and all, where illegal mining happened, where the coal is getting dumped, and where we used to stay, and where Goa is to be green. And YouTube channel दाखवा पडे green.
सगळ्यांक तुमकां परत एक पावट
Thank
देव
you.
बरें करूं
Thank you.
आनी पळयत रावात गोवन म्युझिक वायब्रंट. सो थँक यू सो मच. देव बरें. तुमकां कॉमेडियन बेन, तियात्रिस्ट मिनीन मारियो, म्युझिशियन आकासियो आनी सिनेमॅटोग्राफर रॉकी विल्स हांच्या चॅनलाचे लिंक आमच्या डिस्क्रिप्शनांत मेळटा. थिंगा वचात, चॅनल सबस्क्रायब करात, लायक करात, शेअर करात अँड डोंट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस द बेल आयकॉन. And also subscribe my channel Goan Music Vibrant.